Physical properties of haloalkanes. Physical properties of haloalkanes. Alkyl halides are colorless when pure. Whenever these are pure condition में these are colorless. However, bromides and iodides develop color when exposed to light. Okay, first point over. These are the generally colorless, but whenever exposed to light, suppose methyl bromide is there, methyl bromide. This methyl bromide, whenever it is exposed to light, it is giving light yellow color. Okay, due to the bromine. Next, many volatile halo compounds have sweet smell. Many volatile halo compounds having sweet smell. Okay, next, nature of CX bond in alkyl halide is polar. We know that carbon and halogen. Obviously, halogen has more electron negative, so delta negative, delta positive. Okay, this is called polar. Polar means what? Poles are present. Okay, one positive pole, one is negative pole. So whenever polar is there, obviously the melting boiling point is comparatively alkanes. These alkyl halides are higher. Next, physical properties of haloalkanes, in that regarding melting and boiling point, that's only. So lower members are gases, higher members are liquids, and above solids. Above means here up to C18 are liquids, more than C18 is solid, more than C18 solids. Then starting 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are gases. Okay, then due to their polar nature, haloalkanes have higher boiling point than corresponding alkanes. Example, alkanes ka suppose methane is there. Methane boiling point is around minus 120 to 150, approximate 150 degrees Celsius, minus 150 methane. So methyl bromide or methyl fluoride is around minus 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, this much variation. Okay. Why? What is the reason? Because in case of hydrocarbons, weakest van der Waals forces. Here, in case of methyl bromide, the polar dipole bonds, positive, negative, negative, and positive. So here, the intermolecular forces are stronger. Okay, this is also one of the reason. Low boiling point for branched alkyl halide. Suppose if you take branched alkyl halides, suppose we are taking CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. What is this? How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. So N-pentane. This is the N-pentane. N-pentane. It is one compound. Second, I am taking this 2-methyl butane. I am taking. Third one is I am taking neopentane. This is the neopentane. Now, sorry. Of course, neopentane. What is the boiling point order here? Boiling point order is 3 is smaller than the 2 than 1. What is the reason here? Surface area. Okay, so same reason here in case of alkyl halide also. If I take alkyl halide CH2Cl, okay, suppose CH2Cl. So here also the order is same. The third compound is smaller than the second, than the first. What is the reason here? Same surface area. Surface area is directly proportional to melting and boiling points. Especially boiling point is directly proportional to surface area. Surface area. So what will happen if surface area may, what is the effect in case of pentane? Here one more pentane is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 hexane is there. So here these are the van der Waals forces, this much. In case of, if you take neo type, so here also it is there. So what is the van der Waals forces here? Only this much. Okay, it is applicable for alkanes as well as alkyl halide. Okay, reason is same. Next, suppose if we take same number of carbons are there, C2H5, fluorine, then C2H5, bromine, then C2H5, iodine is there. What is the boiling points? Obviously boiling point down the group here increases. Why? Because boiling point is directly proportional to the molecular mass also. Molecular mass. See here only fluorine and bromine and iodine. Obviously atomic size increasing, atomic mass increasing, so total molecular mass is increasing, so boiling point is increasing. You can see here lower members are gases, this point already over. If you talk about density, if you take the water here down, methyl bromide, alkyl bromide, generally we can say alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide are more denser than the water, but alkyl fluoride and alkyl chloride is less denser than the water, highly soluble in water. Alkanes solubility, if you talk about solubility, lower alkanes, methyl chloride is more soluble than the ethyl chloride, than the propyl chloride, C3H7. While carbon chain is increasing, non-polar nature is increasing, so solubility is decreasing. If you talk about solubility is methyl chloride is more than ethyl chloride than propyl chloride, like that. Next, for the alkyl group, decreasing order of boiling point. So boiling point just now we discussed, the reason is molar mass increasing, so boiling point also increasing. Boiling point is directly proportional to the molar mass. Next, physical properties of haloarenes. These are also colorless liquids. Of course benzene ring is there, so that is liquids. Then crystalline solids, insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. Of course organic compound will dissolve in the organic solvents only, cannot dissolve in the water because non-polar nature is more. This bigger benzene ring cannot dissolve. Then obviously density is more, density is higher than the water. Melting point, boiling point increases as the size of aryl group increases. The reason is same, boiling point, melting point is directly proportional to the molar mass. If molar mass increasing, obviously melting point and boiling point also increases. Next, arrange the set of compounds order increasing boiling points. Bromoethane, bromo, form chloromethane, dibromomethane is given. How can you see here? Bromomethane. First you write this bromomethane, CH3Br, bromo form, iodo form जैसे मतलब CHBr3. then chloromethane means CH3Cl. then dibromomethane CH2Br2. These are the structures. Arrange the compounds in order of increasing their boiling point. See, where the boiling point already we discussed, directly proportional to the molar mass. Okay, so bromine is higher mass. Bromine में 3 bromines are there here, obviously it is higher सबसे, bromo form is higher. Least होगा only methyl chloride, means that is chloromethane. Then you can arrange like this: 1 chloropropane, propyl chloride, and 1 chlorobutane. If you write the structure, 1 chloropropane and isopropyl chloride. See here, 1 chloropropane means this one, CH2Cl. Isopropyl chloride is this one. 1 chlorobutane, 1 2 3 4, here CH2Cl. See, number of carbons increasing means obviously this is the higher. Okay, this one is higher. Because 4 carbons are there. Here these 2 carbons only, but here the chlorine is middle, so surface area is less. So ये दोनों में this one is higher. If you give the numbering 1 2 3, the order is 3 is higher than the 1 than 2. This is the answer. Okay, next. Isopropyl chloride. You can see here isopropyl chloride, 1 chloropropane, then butane is obviously higher. Next, the CX bond is polar. Acha, the true statement regarding alkyl halide is, okay, CX bond is polar, obviously. Suppose if I take methyl chloride, the chlorine is negative, carbon, this one is positive. Then higher members of alkyl halides are more denser than the water. Yes, already I given you. RBr is, RF and Ri is lesser denser, like in R bromine and R iodide heavier than the water. Alkyl halides are more soluble in organic solvent than water. Yes, so all of these. Next, the compound with highest boiling point among these: methane, chlorobenzene, ethyl chloride, ammonia. So in this boiling point directly proportional to the mass, molecular mass, obviously chlorobenzene. Next, polyhalogen compounds. In this polyhalogen compounds,